Hello, how to make fluffy lemon cake. You should definitely try this delicious lemon cake that will fill your kitchen with the refreshing scent of lemon and make you want to eat it even when you're full. First, we prepare the sauce. Mix the juice of half a lemon with 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Place the sauce in the fridge to cool while we prepare the cake. In a bowl, whisk together the 3 eggs and sugar until the mixture becomes frothy. Add the milk and vegetable oil, then mix in the lemon juice and grated lemon zest. Stir in the baking powder and vanilla sugar and mix again. Gradually add the 3 cups of flour, stirring to create a smooth batter. Line your cake pan with parchment paper and pour the batter into the pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Once the cake is baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool. After the cake has cooled, pour the chilled lemon sauce over the top. You can serve the cake by dividing it into slices. Please don't forget to comment on those who will try the cake.